My child is 4 years old, but he still doesn't know ABCD. He is getting a lot of scolding in schools because he is delayed in writing. He doesn't write whatever is taught in school. These are some common problems the parents have, that my child is growing, he is not able to compete with the other kids. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm the co-founder of Butterfly Learnings, a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. Now, the first thing the parents needs to understand is the child having a problem? It might be that the child is actually having difficulty in understanding the academics, and that's why he is not able to study, or that's why he is lagging behind as compared to the other kids. The parents needs to actually understand first that is my child equivalent to a regular 4 or 5 year old child. What is a regular 5-year-old child or a neurotypical 5-year-old child? The language, he should be able to make stories out of his language. He should be able to report whatever has happened with him in school or whatever happens with him in the school bus or wherever he is going. He should be able to communicate whatever he wants to communicate the way an adult can communicate. He should be able to make friends. He should be capability of playing with them with a rule-based games. And lastly comes the academics. If the above the things I told, that is social development and language development, are delayed, there is definitely a chance that the child might be having an academic delay. You first have to work on the early developmental skills that are social, motor and language to make the child capable to do academics. Now, if your child is knowing already these 2-3 skills, that is social, motor and language, then you need to understand, is the IQ or is the mental capacity or an intelligent quotient of my child is right or not. For that, you might have to do an IQ evaluation for your child, or might have to do a social maturity scale for your child to actually understand, is it the behavior of the child that he is not able to study, or it is the actual capacity of the child that is low. You might have to do tests like ADHD screening test or IQ evaluation to understand the child better. If the child's IQ itself is low, maybe how much ever you teach or the average speed the school uses to teach is not enough for him. He might have to be taught in a slower speed or in the way the child is learning better. You might require remedial help, you might even require to change his curriculum, or you might even require to give him an extra support for learning faster. These things will help your child to learn better and be independent in life, rather than forcing your child to do something which might be not in his capacity.